Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Pratiwi Rachmita. I'm from PBI 3 and today I want to presentation from teaching and learning evaluation final exam. What is about performance assessment for English language learners? Traditional standard assessment that test outcome are used for high-stakes decision in assessment and accountability system throughout the United States, often developed and failed test for the mainstream student population. These assessments may not be sensitive enough to the needs of some subgroup of students, such as English language learner or ELLs, who are faced with challenging academic careers. Okay, next slide is about according to some expert. Research clearly demonstrate that some variable unrelated to the vocal measurement construction, for example, unnecessary linguistic complexity, culture basis in construction of item, can affect the quality of high stake assessment for the student. This is by Abedi 2006 and Solano Flores and Lee 2006, Solano Flores and Turnbull 2003, and Solano Flores 2008. Ultimately, for accountability purpose, this end of your assessment done about afford an opportunity for students to present a comprehensive picture of what they know and are able done in content are such as mathematica, science, and reading or language art. More importantly, accountability is not only about measuring student learning but actually improving it. It's from by Darling Hammond 2004 and 178. Okay, next is about example. For example, in the floating pencil exercise, students not only hear the task instruction to measure the length of a pencil floating in both fresh and salt water, but also see the pencil under both conditions. More importantly, since the object of measurement is present in multiply sensory modes or floating pencil and fresh and salt water. Language is not only way to present the performance assessment task or PAT and obtain student responses. Okay, is about my performance assessment for English language learner. A standardized assessment that are commonly used for assessment and accountability purpose because they have stability, objective, reliability, and validity, as well as of administration and cost efficient in scoring. This test may also refer more succinctly to content standard and have more easily variable content representation than many current classroom measure. For example, from Halleck and Darling Hammond in 2008, found with widespread exclusion of English learners from testing in high-stake accountability environment, but through mechanism that reader the missing on testing day and through police and practice that push older students out of school entirely. Other study on grade retention, exclusion from state and local assessment testing or and school and dropout rates also identify this sort of gaming. Okay, next slide is about issue of linguistic complexity. Analysis of national and state data show a substantial group between the academic performance of ELL, the perform of ELL, and non-ELL across several content areas and states. Performance assessment tasks may also suffer from unnecessary linguistic complexity because students have to read task direction and contextual information in the items. This may be linguistically complex readings. Students also have to write to explain and justify their responses, ending to the linguistic demand of this task. and the content in which linguistic complexity occurs is a major distinction between the two types of assessment in terms of linguistic structure. In standardized test item, it is difficult to differentiate between complex linguistic structure that are the target of assessment and those that are unrelated to the construct being measured. It is also difficult to ascertain whether student responses result from linguistic challenge with the prompts or with the set of multiple choice answer, including distraction. In performed assessment tasks, complexity may occur mostly in areas not related to the construct being measured, direction, context, and etc. Therefore, it is less challenging to simplify the linguistic structure in PAT without altering the construct being measured. We next discuss how this can be done. Next is about improving teaching quality for English learners through performance assessment. Performance assessment make a major contribution to the academic careers of students, particularly those with challenging academic life, by informing instruction and supporting higher quality teaching and learning. From Darling, Harmon 2007, Miller and Lin 2000 believe that much of the impetus for informing instruction and supporting higher quality teaching and learning. From Darling, Harmon 2007, Miller and Lin 2000 believe that much of the impetus for performance assessment is that they should mirror the teaching and learning process and provide a better measure of accountability. Okay, next slide is about performance assessment approach in testing student content knowledge in English. ELL student knowledge of the English language is assessed to determine their level of language proficiency as required by NCLB Title III and measure their literary level in English as required by NCLB Title I. But measure inflation ELL student academic careers, we choose Title III English proficiency assessment to illustrate applying performance assessment procedure to assess English language competence for ELL students. That outcome of this assessment are the most important because they determine student ELL status and may influence instruction. Okay, is about how performance assessment can be made most valid for English language learner. Because the language of assessment is among the most influential factor affecting the outcome of assessment for ELL student. We elaborate on the impact of such factor and our recommendation on how to improve the quality of performance assessment with more linguistically accessible outcomes. Okay, next is about scoring performance assessment tasks. An exemplary performance assessment task, not matter how well written, may not put a product desirable outcome. If not scored properly for ELL students of diverse linguistic and cultural background, proposed coursing of performance assessment tasks is of paramount importance for ELL students because correct responses in content-based areas such as math and science may be masked by potential difficulties in grammar and spelling. I think enough from my explanation about performance assessment for English language learner. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.